complex yet useful, satisfying to watch, and efficient in ways we don't know of. So buckle up for a feast for your eyes through machines that satisfy our daily tasks and living. Did someone say an RC lawnmower that works on inclined terrains? And did a nut harvester just become so satisfying to watch? Join us as we go through the tech-savvy and advanced behemoth of machines that people are oblivious to and can definitely turn some heads. Here's our first pick. Ever wondered if you could clean rusty old patches off the wheels of your favorite classic car? Cleantech LPC 1000 CTH, a handheld laser cleaner, boasts a 1000-watt unit. This high-performance, industrial-grade, fast, precise, and incredibly productive laser cleaning tool is intended for medium-sized areas that require delicate cleaning, depainting, and other surface preparation operations. When the key is turned on, the system is instantly ready because it is microprocessor controlled. The touchscreen allows you to select one of 5 pre-programmed cleaning patterns, all while being a water-cooled laser system. Years of experience building handheld lasers for marking and engraving applications have resulted in a heavy-duty industrial design. There is no need for a computer. Class 4 laser systems can be coupled with industrial robots and placed inside safety work cells with interlocks for full compliance with OSHA and FDA CDRH. 2. Ever thought of getting some permanent spell to keep your things from falling off? Riveting is a popular type of fastener. The Eiffel Tower alone required approximately 2.5 million rivets, and the ratchet rivet gun, Goebel Go 12R, is one of the most popular tools for working with them. The tool's ability to work in small spaces is a significant advantage. It has a length of 7.3 inches and a weight of 2.4 pounds. It works with rivets 0.1 to 0.25 inches in diameter, in any material from stainless steel to aluminum, and costs $203 from the manufacturer. 3. If you have acres of land and a whole lot of maintenance, Hymac Herbie is a sure-shot steal. This Italian masterpiece is a machine for mowing lawns, trimming trees, and performing other similar tasks. The manufacturers are confident that the machine will appeal to a wide range of customers, including gardeners, firefighters, construction workers, and even the military. The company currently offers a series of models ranging from a compact 25 horsepower model to a massive 75 horsepower model. The abundance of attachments is the highlight. It can be used with a brush cutter, a lawnmower, a snowblower, a brush, and other tools. The equipment is designed so that the operator has no problems even on 55-degree slopes. Each track, for example, can extend sideways. The machine is remote controlled, and if anything goes wrong, the system will immediately send a signal to the controller. Like what you're watching? Be sure to hit the like. 4. We are familiar with the land excavator, but have you heard of the amphibious excavator? Regardless of the season, the E15 model is a solution for working in water and swampy terrain. The excavator has a curb weight of 51,900 pounds and can operate in water depths of up to 16 feet when combined with additional pontoons. The pontoon and tracks are made of special hard dock steel, which is 3 to 4 times stronger than conventional steel and has a higher wear resistance. The excavator is only 10 feet wide due to its adjustable width, making it easy to transport, and the controls are the same as on a conventional excavator. 5. Have you heard of the most efficient and technologically advanced mining machine? The MC51 mining machine was designed by Komatsu engineers. It was displayed at the International Mining and Minerals Processing Trade Show Mine Expo, and mining companies in Brazil and Australia have expressed interest. The 5-axis robotic arm is impressive, but the Dynacut technology for controlled rock cutting with 2-inch accuracy is the system's defining feature. With this machine, it will be possible to reduce equipment wear and tear, make the cutting process safer, and reach previously inaccessible deposits. 6. Would you believe me if I say there's a machine that shakes nuts from trees and that it's a sight to watch? The Twin D, a 2-piece machine from Afron Machinery's company, was specifically designed for shaking and harvesting almond orchards, which is a crowning achievement of orchard equipment. The machine's ability to perform even the most complex tasks, combined with its large crop yields and uncompromising quality, propels the Twin D machine to the forefront of almond harvesting equipment, leaving competitors far behind. It undoubtedly meets the needs of all growers who want to keep their tree foliage to enjoy a higher tree yield. The Twin Remarkable D's capabilities in almond harvesting are almost undeniable, both in mature almond orchards, where simultaneous shaking and harvesting are required, and in young plantations of trees with low branches. These are some of the phenomenal machines that are efficient and a sight to behold while seeing them work. To know more about such marvelous spectrums of creations, hit subscribe and stay tuned.